All right, here we go. The last set of notes for Standard 9. It's going to be another really quick one. You're going to need your textbook as well. All right, so 3 results of imperialism. Nationalist feelings and tensions rose as the European countries continued to race to dominate the world through economics. So, for example, we're going to have India's first nationalist party, which is going to begin in the 1800s. Religious fervor reaches an all-time high as the Europeans race to save the heathens around the world and convert them to Christianity. So remember, these European people feel that if somebody does not believe in the Jesus, it is their duty to convert them to Christianity and to save their souls from going to hell. And then we have major technological advances are created to make the travel between European countries and raw materials more efficient. So the 2 examples of these, we have the Panama Canal. The Panama Canal, which is located right here in Panama, which is in Central America, it's going to connect the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean by cutting through Latin America. So before, if somebody from San Francisco wanted to go all the way to New York City, they'd have to travel around South America, up the coast, and go to New York City, which is approximately 13,000 miles. But now, because of the Panama Canal, if they start in San Francisco, they go through the Panama Canal to get to New York City. That cuts it down in over half to about 5,200 miles. So the Panama Canal makes travel quicker, so they're able to get resources back and forth a lot faster, therefore making more money off of these resources. And then we have the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal is going to connect the Red Sea, which is right here, with the Mediterranean Sea, which hopefully we all know where the Mediterranean Sea is. It became a shortcut between Europe and Asia. It was vital to the British colonies in India. So people going from Great Britain before the Suez Canal would used to have to go all the way down around Africa, all the way back up the east coast of Africa, make it all the way to India. All right, and that would be about 12,300 miles. But now with this Suez Canal, people from Great Britain can go just around Portugal and Spain, through the Mediterranean Sea, through the Suez Canal, which is right around the Egypt area, and down the Red Sea, out into the Indian Ocean, right over here to India. All right, and that would be about 7,200 miles. All right, again, approximately about half, just a little bit over that half mark. So they were able to get resources from Great Britain or any other part in Europe to India and other parts of Asia a lot quicker going through this Suez Canal. So the Suez connects the Med and the Red. They are seas. Seas is spelled with the letter S, and Suez is spelled with the letter S. Let's go back to the Panama. Connects the Pacific with the Atlantic. All right, these are oceans. Pacific starts with the letter P, and so does Panama. Atlantic starts with the letter A, and Panama's second letter is A. So Panama is Pacific and Atlantic. The Suez is the Med and the Red. All right, now you need your textbooks. You need to open up to page 800. 800, get out your textbooks. And you're going to write out the causes and effects of imperialism. So here we're going to have nationalism, economic competition, and missionary spirit as your causes. And then the effects, we're going to have colonization, colonial economics, and Christianization. All right, so you're going to write all of that out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes Standard 9. let's go ahead and get ready for the Standard 9 tests that we have coming up. We're going to be doing the review packet, which is a lot easier than the midterm one. This one is only 3 pages compared to the big midterm review book that I gave you a few weeks ago. All right, so again, if you have any questions, come and ask me. I look forward to seeing you all on the flip side.